YouTube is amazing for kids, but it can also show videos that are confusing, scary, or simply not age-appropriate. Today, I'll walk you through the best settings every parent should enable to keep YouTube and YouTube Kids safe for young children. 1. Turn on Restricted Mode, YouTube main app. Restricted mode filters out content with adult themes, strong language violence, unsafe challenges, harmful misinformation. To turn it on, go to YouTube app, Settings, General, Restricted Mode, Turn On. This is not perfect, but it adds a solid safety layer. 2. Use YouTube supervised accounts. If your child uses regular YouTube, create a supervised account. You can choose between Explore, ages 9 plus Explore More, ages 13 plus, most of YouTube, older teens. These options control what videos appear and limit mature categories automatically. 3. Choose the right YouTube Kids. Age group inside YouTube Kids. Choose your child's age group. Preschool, 4 and under. Only gentle learning-focused content. Younger, 5 to 7. Stories, shows, animals, science. Older, 8 to 12. More independence, but still kid-safe. Make sure it matches your child's maturity level, not just age. 4. Turn off search in YouTube. Kids, the biggest risk in YouTube. Kids is the search bar. Kids can accidentally find fake cartoon parodies, misleading animations, content with adult jokes. Turn off search here. YouTube Kids, Parent Settings, Child Profile. Allow search off. This keeps your child only in vetted video categories. 5. Block channels you don't like. If your child stumbles upon a channel you don't trust, tap More. Block channel. This immediately removes it from search and recommendations. Helpful for low-quality AI-generated kids, content overstimulating channels. Suspicious or scammy kids, videos 6. Manage watch. History. YouTube recommendations are based on watch history. So if your child watches one weird video, YouTube may recommend 20 more like it. To fix this, pause. Watch history for younger kids. Or clear watch history periodically. 7. Turn off. Autoplay. Autoplay is dangerous because it pulls kids into content spirals. Turn it off. YouTube, Settings, Autoplay. Off. This ensures videos don't automatically jump to the next one. 8. Disable background play. YouTube Premium. If you have Premium, background play allows audio from videos even when the screen is off. Turn it off for kids. Settings, background play. Off. Avoids them listening to higher age content accidentally. Final tips: keep the device in the family room, not bedroom. Use a supervised Google account. Check Watch Again frequently. Teach kids to click Not Interested on strange videos.